Hey everybody, Mike DiDonato here from Fiamma Canada, and today we're going to be descaling the Jura GIGA10. For this process, you're going to need Jura descaling tablets. They come in a 3-pack or a 36-pack, and you're going to need one receptacle to go underneath your spouts to catch any spent water. To start this process, you're going to go into the GIGA10 cockpit and select Descale. Once you do that, the machine will ask you to empty the tray. No matter what, even if you've done it in the past, make sure you pull out the tray, wait 30 seconds, and put it back in the machine. The second thing you'll want to note is that if you have a filter in your machine, you're going to want to remove it. You should never descale your machine with a filter inside. As soon as the decalcifying liquid goes through it, it'll render the filter useless and make any coffees made with it after the fact taste a little bit wonky. So always remove your filter prior to a descale. Once you've started the cycle and emptied your tray, you're going to get 500 milliliters of water, dissolve your 3 descaling tablets, wait for that to finish, add them to your tank, and put it back onto your machine. Once the 500 milliliters of descaler has gone through the machine, you're going to remove the water tank, give it a nice clean rinse, put fresh water, and replace it. At this point, the machine will run fresh water through itself. Once that process is done, you're finished. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our Instagram at Fiamma_Canada for some fun and cool content, and our website, fiamma.ca, for all your cleaning product needs.